Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Extrude, Pocket, Datum Plane, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this ISO-view drawing into 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to create this 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. We finalize this 3D solid part in 4 steps. In step 1, we sketch the front profile on XZ plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and put the dimensions later. Constrain these 2 lines equal. Now, assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option Symmetric. Set the length to 30 millimeters. In step 2, we add fillets with a radius of 2.5 millimeters to the edges. Activate the Fillet tool and select the edges and then set the fillet radius to 2.5 millimeters. Click OK to confirm. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we create the 4 holes with a diameter of 5 millimeters. Select the side surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch the 2 circles with a radius of 2.5 millimeters. Select the circle center points and the symmetry axis and then activate the Symmetry tool. Now, add the dimensions. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. Next, we create the other holes on the top surface. Select the top surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketching and creating the holes is similar to the previous holes. In step 4, we sketch the position for profile on inclined plane, and then we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. First, we create an inclined plane on the upper edge. Activate the Datum plane and then select the XY plane. Now set the height in Z to 15 mm and the angle 45 degrees about the Y-axis. Select the inclined plane and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch a rectangle with a height of 20 mm and width 15 mm. Create a circle with a radius of 7.5 mm. Next, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option up to Shape. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. Now, I will show you how to change the appearance of the solid part. Here, select the material. Download these textures from internet. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.